Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today's video will be kind of like a combined or like collective haul of some clothing bits and pieces that I've picked up over the last couple of weeks. We're gonna cover Zara, Mango, and then two designer ready-to-wear pieces. If you know me, you'll know that I do have a soft spot for designer handbags, but I'm not that much of a fan of spending designer money on footwear and ready-to-wear. But the two items that I got were pre-loved or like from a vintage consignment store. I'm fairly certain that both of the pieces are actually vintage, so like older than 20 years. I do have something from Valentino and I'm looking at it right now. It kind of pains me because now we're like going into summer and both pieces are more like suited for either spring or autumn, so I'm gonna have to wait a little until I'm actually able to wear them. But yeah, the second piece is from Karl Lagerfeld, not like the contemporary brand, but Karl Lagerfeld's own brand that he had like a couple of decades ago. So yeah, really excited to share all of that. And before I ramble on any further, I'm gonna jump into the pieces, and yeah, all of the links and like reference codes will be included in the description box below. And of course, for every single item, I'm going to include mod shots as well. Starting off with the Zara pieces, which I'm extremely excited about because I think like a couple of months ago I also filmed a Zara haul and I ordered and kept two like suit combos, a like dark green one with a really boxy cut, and I also purchased a black one. Anyway, with spring and like basically summer approaching, I figured maybe I'll be more inclined to wearing suit combos when they're lighter colors, so I purchased this one right here. I got the blazer in a size M, so like medium, and the pants in a size small. The sizing was really weird. Online, like I first came across this suit combo on a girl on Instagram, and she, I think, no idea how tall she is, but she did look a little shorter than me, and she purchased the blazer in an extra large and the pants in a medium, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, sizing is a little off, also like depending on how you're planning to wear this combo. I mean, even the medium of the blazer is fairly oversized on me, or like definitely not like fitted, but yeah, really love how this looks together. And yeah, I can definitely wear the pants separately or the blazer separately, but they also look amazing together. Next off, let's do one of the vintage pieces, then we're going to get into the Mango stuff, and then the second vintage piece. I hope that's okay for you. Anyway, so this was such a score. I think I unfortunately threw out the receipt already and they don't have like tags on there, but I believe I paid like 120-ish for this like tweed. Blazer is probably not the right word because it's not like really structured or fitted, but yeah, this is by Valentino, made in Italy, size 8, so an Italian size 8. No idea what that translates into in like European sizing. And yeah, I just fell in love with the structure. It's like a tweed, but not like super thick or anything like that, and the trim all the way along the zipper is in like a suede material. So yeah, super cute. And on the back, looks like that, so fairly simple. Sorry, my camera is probably a little too close to me, so you won't be able to see it like here, but as I said, I'm going to insert like mod shots of every single item. So yeah, I just couldn't pass this one up. It does have a vintagey smell to it, which chances are I didn't realize when I was in the boutique because probably the entire store smelled a little like vintagey. But yeah, I'm definitely planning to like hang it outside and let it air out, and then I should be good to go. But yeah, there's that. Really excited about this one, and such a score. By the way, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, hi, I'm Leslie. I'm so glad to have you here. On my channel I talk about all things luxury, in particular handbags, but I cover a wide range of topics on here. I film unboxings, reviews, shopping vlogs, travel vlogs from time to time, and the occasional like high street fashion video thrown into the mix. So if that sounds like a thing, I would love for you to consider subscribing. Anyway, next off are the two Mango pieces. By the way, do you have Mango in the US? I'm actually not sure. I do know that you have Zara, and Zara is really pricey like compared to European prices in the US, but do you have Mango? If you don't, sorry about that. They do have beautiful pieces. Price-wise, they're sitting at like roughly about the same as Zara. So another suit combo, a very light pink one. Fell in love with this. Also like, okay, sizing-wise, I think I got a small in the pants and Also small in the blazer. Oops. Slight padding in the shoulders, but nothing like crazy. And okay, the thing is, I'm a tall girl, so lengthwise the pants in the small are probably a little shorter than I would like them to be, but I tried on the medium, and the pants, like the cut on the size medium, looked really weird on me. It like bulged out at the side of my hips, so it made me look way wider than I actually am. So I went for the small, and I think like I'm definitely able to get away with it. And yeah, really excited, and bear with me, and like fingers crossed that I'll actually wear these as opposed to the other two suit combos, which I haven't even removed the tags from, although I purchased them like a couple of months ago. But you live and you learn, and chances are I'm going to wear them when we get into like the colder season again. But this suit combo, as well as the light blue one, is perfect for spring and summer. And yeah, again, same as with the blue one, you can wear both items separately or together, which I'm planning to do. But yeah, I'm anticipating to get a lot of wear out of these. Anyway, so drum roll for the last item in this video to reveal this beauty. It's super long, so you won't be able to see it like when I'm holding it up, but again, mod shots will be on the screen. This is a stunning coat by Karl Lagerfeld. Again, not by his contemporary brand, which focuses on like accessories and handbags, but his like old I don't know, I didn't look into the brand history, but yeah, it's Karl Lagerfeld, made in France. And again, recurring theme, you have these beautiful lapels, which are also in like a, yeah, similar fabric to the Valentino one. And it's gorgeously tailored, fits like a glove, and yeah, again, you will see it on the screen. I'm so happy about this. I won't be able to fit like a chunky sweater underneath because again, the tailoring is quite snug, but I'm perfectly fine with that. So yeah, you'll see it on the screen. Let me know what you think. I think I paid a little more for this one than the Valentino one. So I do remember the total of the two items because I bought them in the same transaction. I paid $278 for both of them. So this coat was probably like $160 maybe. So that concludes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about the items that I purchased. It's not like a massive Zara haul or like a massive Mango haul, but I'm extremely excited about the pieces that I did get, and I'm definitely planning on wearing all of them. So yeah, let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Consider subscribing. Also ring that little bell so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. I would love to have you in my little YouTube community. We're so close to 3K. I think only like 10% or like 12% of the people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you haven't subscribed yet and you like what you're seeing and you love handbags and all things luxury, I would love for you to consider subscribing. It's totally free and it would help me out a ton. Anyway, before I keep you any longer, thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.